Recently, Hurom released a new and very exciting juicer, the H100. Designed to revolutionize juicing, this model is quite different to anything we've seen before, and it has restructured the way we think about juicing technology with a screenless design. This has proven to be a bold move, but the new dual strainer used in the H100 may well become common in all future Hurom vertical juicer models. So, the H100 replaces the old standard screen style with a new dual strainer combination. And in theory, these parts both work in a similar manner, as their primary purpose is to separate juice from pulp. However, the method in which they go about this is different, and these differences clearly showcase the benefits of Hurom's new design. Starting with the standard screen, it is clear that the fine holes in its metal plates are used to allow juice through, while retaining any chunks of pulp on the inside. This ensures that a thin juice is produced that is free from any noticeable pulp. However, this comes at a cost, as by nature the fine holes in the screen will over time become blocked with pulp. As a result, the screen becomes less effective during the juicing process, especially in longer sessions, which can lead to unnecessary juice wastage. Pulp blockages are also tough to clean effectively, and in most cases the screen will need an intensive scrubbing session for multiple minutes before it can safely be left to dry. If it isn't cleaned fully, any leftover pulp can dry out and harden, leading to a blockage that is incredibly difficult to get out. Finally, standard screens can also encounter issues with scale buildup, which can be quickly dealt with, but is yet another maintenance task. Now, if we move on to the new dual strainer, we can see there is a big difference in its design. For starters, it is made from two separate parts that combine together to form one single strainer. Each of these parts are thick in their construction, and together they form a highly durable combination that is both pressure and crack resistant. When put together, they form long thin slits that are used instead of screen holes to separate pulp and juice. These slits, unlike screen holes, have the advantage of being quite clog resistant. And when separated, the two strainer components can be cleaned very easily, without multiple minutes of scrubbing, or in some cases any scrubbing at all. Finally, the strainer design also removes the risk of scale buildup, as long as it is cleaned properly between uses. Overall, the Hurom H100 does offer a much improved design that has some clear benefits. An easier cleaning process sits among the most appealing advantages, but this is also coupled with a reduced risk of scale blockages and clogs forming during juicing. Moving forward, we are hopeful that Hurom are going to use this strainer in many more of their models, as in all reality, it offers everything we could expect from a screen, whilst removing many of the disadvantages of that design we've grown so used to.